Hey guys, I am back with the June 12th reveal here for UberChic Beauty. So let's take a look at today's plate. This one is a mini. So far we had a cold-blooded plate with different textures of skins from snakes and amphibians, and this is so cool. It's like my birthday, getting to open up packages, and you can tell I'm really bad at it. You know, you're not supposed to use your nail as tools, but here we go. Look at what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's see. This one is, oh, this is sports. Okay, so it is called Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Okay, so this looks, it's not just sports, it's baseball in particular. I loved baseball growing up so much. I mean, I like it now, but I was obsessed with it. So this is really, really cool. Alright, let me take off the film and I will be right back. Okay, there it is without the blue film, so you can see it a bit more clearly. I love this with the hearts, with the baseball, with the lacing from the ball. I also love Brockmire, which is about baseball, which is a very foul, R-rated show. So if you haven't watched it, it's hilarious if you like that kind of thing. I love that she's got the layering here, so you can layer your own little balls with the different colors. And then she's got this like with the, this is just a jersey. It looks kind of like an umpire's thing to me, but I think it's just a jersey. The hat over here, you've got a layering image. The glove, you've got a layering image. So plenty of little figures. If you play baseball, if you know somebody who plays baseball, if you have a child who plays baseball, if you like going out and watching baseball, which I do, all of these are really, really cool. Okay, so let me do a couple of sample looks for you. Okay, so let's take a look at these sample looks. Actually, let me do it like that. So for this one, I went ahead and just did a nice little subtle background there with that background print, and then showed somebody getting striked out. I think that's a lot of fun, and the figures on the plate allow you to really kind of play around with that. In order to make that, I used Girly Bits Irreplaceable, Girly Bits Irreplaceable, and then I stamped with Girly Bits White Wedding, and then with Girly Bits Little Black Dress. So that is all Girly Bits all the time. I grew up an Oakland A's fan, so the colors were sort of a mustardy yellow and a forest green. So I think it's really cool that with this plate you can kind of use your own team colors. So for this I did Girly Bits Saffron Saffroff, and then I used Moonflower Polish El Yunque to get that gorgeous deep green. And then I think this one is my favorite though, because how cute is that with those hearts? I loved the image and I love how it came out. So for this I started with a white base. This is actually Sally Hansen Get Mod, and then I stamped on it with this Wicked in fuchsia red. And I love how crisp and beautiful and pretty that is. I could totally see having baseball as like a romantic vacation, but also like if you have sons or daughters that play baseball, and you know you're wearing this to one of their meets. I think that would be, is it a meet? If they play one of their games, or one of their tournaments, yes. It would be cool, I think, to do that. So I think if you're any kind of a baseball fan, this is kind of a must-have plate. I adore it. All right, I will see you with tomorrow's plate. Bye!